Hello, I'm Dr. Gary Warstadt, and I'm here today to talk to you about seasonal affective disorder. Seasonal affective disorder is an extremely common thing which causes people to develop depression symptoms around this time of year. It's October now. For some people, it starts in September. For some people, it might be as late as January. But generally, end of October, November is the usual time when it starts up, particularly when we set the clocks back and the days get shorter all of a sudden, or at least we get less exposure to the daylight. And in fact, that has a lot to do with what's wrong. We used to think that it had to do with Christmas in some way, the pre-Christmas blues, the post-Christmas blues, the stress of the holidays. But actually the answer was staring us right in the face for thousands of years, and it's the fact that the days get shorter around this time of year and we get less sunlight. It turns out that there's an entire system for measuring the length of the day. Why would an animal want to measure the length of the day? Every animal has some kind of seasonal behaviors. Some animals hibernate, some have to store food for the winter, animals need to know when it's time to mate and reproduce, etc. Humans are no different. We all have this system. It's actually a daylight detection system that's keyed into blue light. We have cells in our retina that are only receptive to sky blue, because if the sky is blue, it's day, and if it's not blue, it's night. These cells aren't wired to the visual part of our brain. They're wired to a much more ancient, deeper structure called the hypothalamus, which does a lot of the basic housekeeping of the body, and one of the things it does is measure the length of the day. Now, why the length of the day triggers depression in humans is not exactly known. But what we do know is that we're tropical animals, and in the tropics, the days only go from maybe 11 hours long to 13 hours long, whereas up here, obviously, the days can get much shorter or longer than that. The further north you go, the more severe the changes are, until when you reach the Arctic Circle, you have midnight sun or 24 hours of darkness. And in fact, you see more seasonal affective disorder the further north you go. But it's very common even in the latitudes of Boston and generally the United States. Down in Washington, D.C., there was a survey where they found that 92% of everybody felt worse during this time of year, and about 6% of people developed a full-blown major depression. So we can treat seasonal affective disorder with medications, but one alternative, which obviously doesn't involve medications, is to just use a bright light source. What you're trying to do here is basically trick your system into thinking that the day is longer than it is, and also just basically to hit yourself with more light. The light has to come in through your eyes. It has nothing to do with the skin. The best time of day to do it is in the morning, preferably before the sun has come up. So again, you trick your system into thinking that the sun has come up earlier than it actually has. The day appears to be longer than it actually is, and your system thinks it's April when it's February. You don't have to do it in the morning, but it seems to be better. 15, 20 minutes a day, as many days a week as you possibly can, is generally what we recommend. I recommend people do it at the breakfast table. You're going to be sitting there anyway. Have your breakfast, drink your coffee, read the paper, and treat yourself with your light box. The light boxes are available easily on the internet. Just search for it. Generally around $100. They don't have to be full spectrum light. In fact, as I mentioned before, blue light is the only relevant color. You can use white light because it contains blue, but it's not necessary. There's no ultraviolet rays coming from this. It does not damage your eyes. It does not cause skin cancer. It's blue light. It's not ultraviolet. What you basically want to do is take the light box and turn it on. I'll show you, although it's a little bit hard to tell from the video because of the way the camera handles the light, but it's an extremely bright source of light. And what you want to do is set it off at about a 45-degree angle. The LEDs in it are kind of directional, so just move it around until it gets about as bright as it gets. Don't stare right into it, and just go about your business, have your coffee, etc. If you do this every day for several days in a row, chances are you'll start to feel better probably within a week, and this can actually treat the seasonal affective disorder for the duration of the season. When the winter ends, people kind of know when they start to come out of their shell. Whenever it is March or April, you stop using the light box, put it away until next season, and start it up again in the fall.